In Japanese, there is a saying that we each person in this world have three faces. The first one they show to the world, the second one they show to your close friends, and the third one you never show to anyone. What a beautiful day to begin with. Thank you so much for being with us. And today I'm going to review recently released a living legend Amitabh Bachchan's and Imran Hashmi's movie Chehre. The good thing is that the movie has been shot during the pandemic, and we should really understand and calculate things that what they are going through, and yet they have come up with releasing this movie instead of going through so many financial hurdles. But it is good to watch them, and the message is metaphorically symbolizing different things about different generations. And let's see review what the story is all about and what we can learn from it or trash it from it. I read somewhere that if you are sleeping peacefully, you are contented with what you are doing it, you really need to revisit yourself and calculate the things that you have committed willingly or unwillingly. And if you really have conscience, it will knock at your door and ask you that you should really think about your steps that you have taken in the past and seek forgiveness. Sometimes we escape through whatever we do, and we think that it's justified according to the situation. Whatever I did it for the betterment of myself or betterment of my situation, it suits me, and I don't feel myself guilty for that. So Samir was a character like this, and he escaped through from the snare or the trap that he was in. As he was running away from himself or whatever he committed, he found himself in a deep snowstorm, and he has nowhere to run due to the harsh weather, and thus he was invited to a house. That house is metaphorically, I believe, that it's our own conscience. There are different pillars of our inner self, and especially if you have seen cartoons also, there is a Tom and Jerry or something cartoon. Every time there is a white or black angel that comes and keep talking to you, this is good or this is bad. I think that's, I personally feel like it's like that. So as he enters in that house, he feels like that his inner self has different characters. It's a mock trial, but it's trial of your inner self. And sometimes you really need to reassess yourself that what you did. From different generations, we could see that they were all mature people. According to their experience, they step back and think about the situation. But for our younger generation, it's our own intuition that we really wanted to think that okay, it is fine, that whatever I did it is for betterment of me. It's how the world does it. And thus there are characters: prosecutor, defense, judge, executioner, a girl who portray, like, sometimes we wanted to feel sympathy from all those people, those who could understand us. And sometimes we really need to show them, okay, I did this in my life, I'm just forwarding you something good, and I'm giving you a dream so that you can show that whatever you earned, you are forwarding for the betterment of the society. But that's not the case. Once your conscience will take you on a trial, you will always feel guilty, and that happens with Samir. And Samir was guilty of his actions, and with his with the wife of his boss, the girlfriend, they planned something, and during that plan things went worse, and thus he ran away and escaped. So they were all calculating and looking at what he is doing, what his actions are. So they said, let's play a game, because we were like this, now we are in a like a retirement mode, but we will just go for a mock trial and see what you have committed. He thought at the beginning that like it's just a fun game, but later he found himself that whatever he really committed, it's coming, or he's uttering from his own mouth, and thus there was no escape through plan for him from these people. So the story is very good, engaging, and it's telling us a lot of things that we really need to learn. You will really like the dialogues in this movie, and especially the more important thing is that how two different generations communicate with each other, and they keep on showing each other that in this situation you should really think about your step, watch your steps, and how you should do it. But whatever you are saying is, it's according to you, it is right. But according to the judgment of the world, or what the ethics and morality is all about, you should really think about it. I hope you really enjoy this. And there is a sequence he talked continuously about our system, and especially there is a quote he's said, Amitabh Bachchan, that we really need to do reformation of our justice system so that justice should be served to the people. And I hope you really enjoy this. It's good to watch it, especially something unique and different. And I hope you will like this. Thank you so much for bearing me, and have a great day. Take care of your loved ones and stay safe. Bye bye.